Good morning, student. Today I am discussing the topics of salts. Okay, salt में आपको क्या क्या पढ़ना है? बेकिंग सोडा, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, वॉशिंग सोडा, प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस और ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, ये पढ़ना आपको सॉल्ट में. तो टुडे आई एम डिस्कसिंग द टॉपिक्स सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. दिस इज कॉल्ड caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide chemical formula is NaOH. How sodium hydroxide is prepared? From sodium hydroxide is prepared by chloralkali process by electrolysis of brine. What is brine? Brine is the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, is called brine. Preparation, electrolysis of brine. Brine aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called brine. Is called brine. Okay. This process is known as chloralkali process because chlorine and sodium hydroxide, alkali sodium hydroxide and chlorine is main product. So it is called chloralkali process. This process is also known as chloralkali process because sodium hydroxide and chlorine is formed. Chlorine is as main product. So it is called chloralkali process. Just say NaCl plus H2O gives twice NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. Okay, how they are obtained? This is a chloralkali process. They are obtained by the electrolysis of sodium chloride, और आप लिख सकते हैं सोडियम क्लोराइड aqueous solution, which is called brine. Electrolysis. In aqueous solution, electric current passed. They dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus. So it is called electrolysis process. Na plus, Cl minus, sodium ion and chloride ion. Positive ion, sodium ion, goes at the cathode, and negative ion, chloride ion, at the anode. Cell reaction takes place at the cathode. At the cathode, gains 2 electron, then charge delivered to Na, sodium. Sodium react with water, twice Na plus twice H2O gives twice NaOH plus H2. Hydrogen gas is evolved. This reaction takes place at the cathode and sodium hydroxide is prepared. Sodium hydroxide. At the anode, reaction at the anode, Cl minus goes at the anode. At the anode, Cl minus loses electron, 2Cl plus 2 electron, 2Cl को आप लिख सकते हो Cl plus Cl Cl2 chlorine gas is obtained at the anode. Okay. This is the chloralkali process for preparation of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is white crystalline pellets type का होता है और they are soluble in water. Its aqueous solution is called alkali. Sodium hydroxide is known as alkali. What are the use of sodium hydroxide? Usage of the board examination. Usage of sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and hydrogen gas. Okay. Usage of sodium hydroxide. What is use of sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide used in a soap industry for the preparation of soap. It is used for the preparation of soap. First is used. It is used for preparation of soap. It is used as a reagent. It is used as reagent in laboratory. It is used in paper industries. Used in paper industry. These are the use of sodium hydroxide. What is use of chlorine? Chlorine used as disinfectant, and other use of chlorine is it is used for the preparation of bleaching powder, and it is also used for preparation of chloroform by chlorination of methane. Usage of chlorine. It is used for preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. It is used as germicide or disinfectant. It is used as disinfectant. Disinfectant for disinfectant. Okay. Third, it is used for preparation of chloroform. It is used for preparation of chloroform. Okay. It is used for purification of water. It is used for purification of water. These are the use of chlorine. Now, what are the use of hydrogen gas? Usage of hydrogen H2. First, what is use of hydrogen? हाइड्रोजन गैस का पहला यूज है आप वनस्पति घी बनाने में by hydrogenation process from vegetable oils. It is used for preparation of वनस्पति घी that is called डालडा. डालडा का आपने सुना होगा, वनस्पति घी. Second, it is used for preparation of ammonia by Haber process. Haber process. Okay. It is used for preparation of hydrochloric acid. It is used for preparation of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay. It is used गुब्बारा में भी भरा जाता है हाइड्रोजन गैस. गुब्बारा में it is used as fuel, rocket fuel, and now it is okay. These are the uses of hydrogen gas. Now come to the next topics. Some problems. Problem. Each acid contains hydroxide ion. If S, give your answer. Each acid have hydroxide ion OH minus. If S, explain your explain. Yes, acid contains hydroxide. Acid generally, acid produces hydrogen ion in water, but acid contains hydroxide ion also, but the concentration of hydroxide ion is less than hydrogen ion. So acid contains hydroxide ion. Okay. Yes, answer is yes. Acid contains hydroxide ion, but concentration of hydroxide ion is less than hydrogen ion. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now come to the next. Similarly, also if base contains hydrogen ion, yes, base also contains hydrogen ion, but concentration of hydrogen ion is less than hydroxide ion. Okay, so base also contains hydroxide ion, hydrogen ion. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now next compound is your baking soda. Baking soda. Chemical formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda. That is called baking soda. Okay. How baking soda is prepared? Preparation of baking soda. Ammonia solution plus NaCl plus CO2 gives NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride is formed. Okay, so baking soda is prepared. This process is known as Solvay process. Solvay process. इसमें हम ब्राइन सोल्यूशन लेते हैं, NaCl सोल्यूशन, फिर अमोनिया एंड CO2 गैस पास कर देते हैं, तो आपका बन जाता है बेकिंग सोडा प्लस अमोनियम क्लोराइड, ammonium chloride. Okay, this is the baking soda, preparation of baking soda. Okay, now next salt next class में बताऊंगा. Okay, thank you very much.